Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows in South Bronx Roblox. We'll dive right into the process, starting with gathering all the necessary items. Then, I'll walk you through the straightforward crafting steps, ensuring your marshmallows turn out perfectly. Finally, we'll cover how to prepare your finished treats for use or sale, making sure you get the most out of your efforts. It's a fun and rewarding activity. To begin your marshmallow adventure, you'll need a few key items. First, gather 3 units of sugar, which you can usually find at the in-game grocery store. Next, secure 2 units of water from a tap or dispenser. Don't forget 1 packet of gelatin, often located in the baking aisle. Finally, make sure you have a mixing bowl and a cooking stove ready for use. These are your foundational components. Now for the exciting part, crafting. Start by combining your 3 units of sugar, 2 units of water, and 1 gelatin packet into your mixing bowl. Give it a good stir for about 20 seconds until everything is perfectly blended. Then, carefully place the bowl onto your cooking stove and heat the mixture for approximately 1 minute. Once warm, pour it into a flat mold or tray, preparing it for the next stage. After crafting, let your marshmallow mixture cool completely for at least 5 minutes. Patience is key here. Once it's firm, gently remove the large marshmallow block from its mold. Now, grab your knife tool and cut the block into about 20 individual, bite-sized pieces. You can then sell your delicious, freshly made marshmallows at a market stall for some in-game currency, or simply share them with your friends for a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.